How to change password on XTB. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can secure your account on XTB by changing your password. Let's say you want to change your password for security purposes on XTB account, but you don't know how. Then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First things first, launch open the XTB application on your mobile device or any of your devices and log into your account. And once you're logged into the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. Once you're inside this expanded menu, click on Security. Under Security, tap Password Change. Now, in the current password field, enter your current password for XTB account. On the next field, enter a new password you want to change to. On the next field, re-enter the new password once again. And finally, click on Change Password at the bottom. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed. Next time, whenever prompted or while logging into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.